एआई डॉक्टर्स को रिप्लेस कर सकता है, अ, क्या ये एक डिस्टेंट ड्रीम है, डिस्टेंट थॉट है? क्या ये पॉसिबल भी है? व्हाट इज़ योर थॉट प्रोसेस?
I think it's my personal opinion, which may be different from Microsoft founder and Bill Gates, who is saying that AI will replace doctors. I am nowhere in front of him, but in my opinion, AI cannot replace
हुँ, हुँ।
doctors. AI will always act as an assistant. I don't know, maybe in future, I don't know, but in my opinion, today no AI can replace doctors. The empathy, the level of decision making required and is not possible with AI in near future at least.
हुँ, हुँ।
I am sure it is not going to do it.
Great. So, having said that, what are the areas where AI is creating an impact and acting as maybe assistant and augmenting the life of a doctor and the clinical work? कहाँ-कहाँ पे AI अभी हेल्प कर रहा है हमें एज़ एन असिस्टेंट या एज़ अ फेलो कलीग?
AI will impact every field. There is no doubt. AI is going to increase your productivity.
हुँ, हुँ।
AI is going to augment what you are doing right now, maybe 10 times, 20 times. If you are able to help 100 patients, maybe you are helping 1,000 patients. Era is coming when personalized medicine is coming.
वाओ!
Okay.
हुँ,
Right now, what we are dealing, we do a trial एंड वी आर सेटिस्फाई कि अगर इस दवाई ने प्लेसिबो से ज्यादा काम किया तो देन इट्स ओके,
यप।
बट द टाइम इज कमिंग व्हेन पेशेंट्स आर डिमांडिंग एंड वी विश दैट एवरी पेशेंट शुड गेट ट्रीटेड. फॉर एवरी पेशेंट द मेडिसिन शुड वर्क एंड फॉर एवरी पेशेंट वी शुड हैव अ प्रिसीजन मेडिसिन. इट सेज like in oncology it has already come
हुँ,
that based upon AI algorithm they are deciding which patient is going to respond to which medicine.
हुँ,
They have coded entire genomes.
हुँ, हुँ, हुँ,
Based upon that genome they are deciding which drug is going to help. Like I'll give you example, MSET everybody knows.
हुँ, हुँ, हुँ,
Whoever is listening to this post podcast, MSET everybody knows,
हुँ,
ondansetron.
हुँ, हुँ, हुँ,
It is not helpful with certain kind of genetic makeup which
हुँ,
AI can see from the beginning when you start oncology treatment. Ondansetron is a integral part कि हर पेशेंट को कैंसर की दवाई से उल्टी आएगी.
हुँ,
But when you have that AI put for every patient, you know कि MSET is not going to work. It's just an example.
हुँ, हुँ,
But
हुँ,
all the chemotherapeutic drugs, we can decide based upon the algorithm that which patient is going to respond to which drug and which patient is going not to respond. So this era is coming and AI will not replace, AI will assist doctors. That is for sure.